To update the firmware of the KNX IoT to BACnet IP gateway, first visit the support industry portal to download the firmware update files. We go to support.industry-siemens.com and enter oct200.knba in the search field. Select the firmware update file and download the zip folder to your local desktop. Now we downloaded the firmware update file, and as a next step we unzip extract all to the same folder, and this is the update file, the oct.knba official.tar. As a next step we establish the connection to the KNX IoT gateway again with selecting the local Wi-Fi network. Go to Wi-Fi settings and select KNBA followed by the individual identifier. Of course, you can also connect directly via Ethernet to the gateway. Now we are successfully connected to the gateway and we enter the IP address in our web browser and enter the local web UI. In the web UI, we select System and Firmware Update. In this window, we can see the current version of the firmware, and we also have the option to drag and drop the new firmware update files or click to upload and select the file destination. I select click to upload and the destination of the firmware update file. Make sure you select the extracted.tar file. Now the firmware update file gets uploaded to the gateway. As a next step, the KNX IoT to BACnet IP gateway is verifying the firmware update file. After successful verification, we are able to select or deselect keep settings. With the keep settings option, we can either keep existing settings like network settings, BACnet settings, and joint devices, or not keep them and reset the settings to the factory settings. In our case, we do not keep the settings and press install. Now the firmware upgrade process of our gateway initiates and we can see the status in our web browser. We can also see the LED of the gateway indicating the firmware update process by blinking green. After successful firmware update and rebooting, the left LED turns green again, and we can also see the right LED turning constantly green for successful establishing of the thread network. In the web UI, you can also see that the status bar is up to 100% and you can start to refresh the page. In case you did not keep settings, you might have to re-establish the connection to the local Wi-Fi of the gateway. We go to Wi-Fi settings and select KNBA with individual identifier and press connect. Now we can access the local web UI of the gateway again, and due to we did not keep settings, we also have to assign the password new. Submit. We re-establish the Wi-Fi connection to the gateway with the newly set password. And we can access the local web UI with the newly upgraded firmware of our KNX IoT to BACnet IP gateway again.